Ebusia finally honorable Osei Kyei Mensah bonsu aba bontia be reveal onipa kra enam ne so a yeyi na di as majority leader of parliament. Hey, afenso so kwofo wonder say e die ne course wo MPP mu a etu omudi ntwo sa na bi mu di ahye mu di aye tribalism bi di aye religion mu nsem bebre odidi etwie mu ankasa abrayem.
I think I took kasano on my reasoning to on the part na take his decision. Say watch a dodo and so mu feel say
oh they
aba from an answer then.
And not the meet me I can say.
Yes.
The okay and say.
Let's go ghtrends. And any first time I put into a video, make sure say or best subscribe it and no click on notification bell on it for latest update. No follow your Facebook as Let's Go ghtrends and a TikTok also as Let's Go gh. Any comments be our now or comment section ho edi ama me no share video we ama foforo aba be share. Ebusia nipa ba ko a we ne say ka parliament nsem de a wontumi mbobodin wa bra wo papa we di papa we wa bedi ni dwuma yie pa eno any honorable Osei Kyei Mensah bonsu atese papa we ono anana ye former majority leader aside that no say minister for parliamentary affairs affairs no say MP for Swami na say papa we de ni dwuma de na tese nyasem kitwa kra na yenim de si ye na papa ye tu na de si do obi foforo be si ho eno na Ghana for ni say e de na course unti a majority leader na ye tu na de so odinche mu aba.
You were changed.
I know. It was told me by the president at the time.
Okay.
And
but why in the public?
Osei.
Like the reason one fan to ya.
Oh, say of free MPs no ne ministers no.
Yes.
Or them na amo a share.
Yes.
Sade no.
Okay.
Na asem no bobo no. MPs no be even about over 80 of them. That many number here 137. About 80 of them had appended their signatures. So what to say asimsi neighbor. And I should assure them say I will hold and they will support me. And me call ya present a fraying and all the two anymore no. Now even them who cramp no ministers no be a bit here and also say I want to say na papa no beka. The president yamai. Now mamintie. They are going to support me. Now I should hold on as the majority
leader.
Now me down must. Some of them sent messages to me. Me called them hona President Bekasa no. Ano kaso ade na oye no nye ono oni party no eneye. Na me march no against the MPs no ya. Ma hwe ya get the big implosion beba party. Oh. Until here na on the spur of the moment, I decided to say no, I've had enough. Let me step aside. The president de Casa Danunkwana me take it down notes. The way no ma general secretary. So when the general secretary come home or take it decision. No friends will make us. So I picking down a few notes. We no be some say we be become. The show na me cast my resign.
You said it there and there.
I said it there and there. So I didn't want to be the eye of any storm in the party. I'm quoting myself. Until I'm resigning. And then why didn't? And those of them, no more MPs no fault, disappointed them and so on. And so when they heard, they all said the same thing. But I think I took.
On my reasoning to on the part na take his decision. Say watch a dodo and so mu feel say
oh they
aba from an answer then.
And not the meet me I can say.
Yes.
The okay and say some na and this for now President Mahama na mo yi ni so beda
yes, yes.
Na onyi ni running mate. But sen na AC corona ni so be fa Vice President ene Professor
Jainan
yes intino President Frey na sem no nam say nipo no so Central Region no say ya hoden ekofom e wo ho na any visibility e wo ho the minority leaders am na to what take over from Haruna
yes
and they were expecting to have the vice presidential candidate from the same region.
Sure.
And what can say we need to have some visibility there. And intina omujidi say
omunyo
from central region. That was Asemno. So yemra mu say no kra. You stand here say no. The minority leader or the majority leader is a person chosen by the party people in parliament. And your party outside.
And your party outside, yes.
So intina okasa wo twetwe a akofan baba.
I didn't send baby.
Intina me yes no amenyai.
Okasano no chire nioma course nti a Dr. Bawumia or reporter.
Oman ka bibi amfa Dr. Bawumia ho.
Ka bibi efa Dr. Bawumia ho. Bawumia de no.
Yes.
Say the perception of Bawumia as a shadow of Akufo-Addo. So some you say Akufo-Addo na still be control. What you say? Eno enti enunti no amani pani bi anto abama amaye. Is there? Amuko obogu ho American wasebi. Any afo no constituencies.
Yes.
Some of the Kusasi communities are nangenim so meto abama ye no. Amanto abana maye. Omuye amuko mo ho no. Omo se omo mpanimfo bi ba ye be ka kire omo se. Dr. Bawumia. Ena what to ama Kusas mama mpusifo no so no womonko timo bi anto abama no. It's in the report minia obi anfa bibia nsi ne mo kan no ade ne wo ho.
But you are saying that there is no way in this report say maybe because Bawumia is a Muslim affecting enimusa
minia
that didn't come up
minia am bisai
okay
ansa na mo beko no
yeah
ansa na mo beko a huge discussion amongst us. So
yes,
a huge discussion amongst us. And Penifono and Basonfon. And Timina, I did better Makodam say, look, it's a question we should ask the question.
Yes.
Say Bawumia being a North Nano, did it have any impact on the elections? One. Number two, you're North Na Oye Kremoni. And this is the first time ye di kremoni nso eda partner no. Ghana nyina no ne ehunu bi sad.
Yes.
What you say?
Yes.
Intino and also so no it did affect us. In fact 1979 and nya bibisa imoro igala. But onumpo no he was disqualified by the Taylor committee. Inti ena liman by. This is the first and he omo bisaye. Na be biombe ko bia no so debi Obi, uno be kasa obi say oh David. What does it mean? I just say no dear na enye
more consider crowd.
Ndi omo nyina say David even kusase fo no. Omo say nya kremoni ntia. Yes ceremony this ceremony de enuano na enyina yepe no. Nanso sem say na enuano be ka kire yin.
Chese enye Dr. Bawumia nko a wo eye ne vice presidential candidate ananche so de ne ekọ no. Amichiremu anapo eye masibo poku prempen so adeko dia esiye de nkofo ne kafa ne ho so enie
running mate and so the no say his description of former President Nkrumah even though what was a na pass mo kan no cut development and no say development that Akufo-Addo aban by our Ashanti region no and Ghana nyina akra no aban bia maya oye bisa including even President Nkrumah sana no kan na eho no ohun se na osi kan no say even Kwame Nkrumah no ene ko fa asem bae ndi ohun se uti asem na enkofo na mo kan say even do asem na kan na nka ye no kure no na imum akwan fa so kan do mo say his description of former President Nkrumah even though he was stating a matter of fact and occasionally his general demeanor did not allow him to unleash his potential of delivering the youth vote oh de na pom kafa no so ya brantie ya babunu no nim say mabunu kra bidi nachi so nsem ni bi ho ema de was nke otimi deliver no wentimi deliver. That is what people have spoken about. It's not kafa.
Yes, running mate
no.
Abusia na chese nya sepito na chese yo ntimi mo wa bra honorable Kennedy Agyapong so hu mebo mu any honorable so manfo ne se wo ye den
honorable Kennedy Agyapong and I must say his comments about MPP comprising of stupid people
yeah, that video echo viral.
And he expressing regret belonging to such a party. So no cry when you who say
Oh yeah,
MPP ni. What you say? And almost say afei Osei can say MPP for a ban move for Nina Yakrof. And he and some of kind say some of kind, you know. A tear party no. And afei baby or crimes almost say na afei in semi before cry na personal attack on candidate Bawumia.
Yes.
And in the year. They spoke about these things. I report from all the constituencies. Now, running mate, Kramu can have
Abusua na chese enya asem kito MPP fo na nkasa na omo survey omo koye yi o na chese omo amuhu nkrofo MPP fo no e card kodi poti esiye what you say report na ene na mabonten na bi this say ana obi ye muslim ntia na bi no kreno na chese enam ho no na chese all kasa ni nyina hunim say yentimi nkasa wa bra nipa odi MPP mu ntintima ye money di me chirache ma wuntumi ono nso so amanfo ne say new role I will play for say MPP way you know anything you go to him.
Then if anything chairman and Bosiako
chairman wuntumi
chairman wuntumi
ono nso mo kafa na
almost say even though he had secured his mining concessions long before the Akufo-Addo-led government,
yes.
but inappropriate communication by himself, instead of using his solicitors, created the impression that he had excessively singularly benefited from Akufo-Addo's government. Inti eno e man who ye he.
Now say oh show off the
No say any your concessions no.
Yeah.
Say ena manya we what you say. No mo say sansa me kra no say nko man lawyer for na e
kasa man.
Na say no si kasa wo radio so no wo ho no. E the time brain no the time brain party no. Ama no ye say I say ono nko na didi aban no mu. E na afa mo san be ka bio say boss ayi ye friend say ade wuntumi na o say displaying gold bars
on live TV.
And also and who is saying say wuntumi no wasem
But I said the akoso e wo MPP mu a chese say eguso ukoso menga say eguso ukoso because they see omo opposition dey eguso ekoso eno no ade a transfer ye man Ghana fo no MPP fo no say omanto aba titlu e ya Ashanti region ha omanto aba ama MPP no eno ana ye honorable Osei Kyei Mensah e de ababa betu dwa chese we really at the code report ye see ye bi mo say na me ye say Bawumia ye Muslim enuntia ye say Dr. Bawumia ye Muslim e bi say ni nyina say a wa be break silence no ye nyina ye hu no kore no enti no na chese ye nteki no as such ebusia me koso edi mani edi ensem na chi any update ye for oba me de bebro me koso aka so be follow Facebook as let's ghtrends and TikTok so as let's ghtrends na wa share video ama fofra baba che me ding edi mani ka fansa Macam